सब्सक्राइब करें, प्रेस करें बेल आइकॉन और पाएं मुंबई, नवी मुंबई एवं बॉलीवुड की ताजा तरीन खबरें।
India recorded the biggest single-day spike of 5,611 COVID-19 cases, with the total infections reaching 1,06,750, including 3,303 deaths, while the country's recovery rate, however, stood at 39.62%, with 42,298 people having recovered from COVID-19. As many as 140 novel coronavirus-related deaths were reported across the country in the last 24 hours. Of these, 76 were from Maharashtra, 25 from Gujarat, 6 each from West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh, 5 each from Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, 3 each from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Telangana, 2 each from Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Jammu and Kashmir, and 1 each from Odisha and Punjab. Goa reports 8 new COVID-19 cases, tally reaches 46. Maharashtra has recorded a total of 35,058 COVID-19 cases, with death toll reaching 1,249, while 8,437 patients have been recovered. Mumbai on Monday reported 1,185 fresh coronavirus cases and 23 more deaths, taking the total case count to 21,152 and the fatalities to 757. Dharavi reports 26 new coronavirus positive cases today, tally climbs to 1,353. Maharashtra government issues revised rules for Lockdown 4.0. According to the coronavirus lockdown guidelines, e-commerce activity for essential as well as non-essential items and materials have been permitted in red zones. All industrial units, construction sites are allowed to operate in the red zones. Sport complexes, stadium and other public open spaces will remain open for individual exercises in non-red zones. Spectators and group activities are strictly not allowed. Intra-district bus service with maximum 50% capacity has been allowed in non-red zones. Religious festivals and congregations remain not allowed. Total of 5 companies of Central Industrial Security Force and Central Reserve Police Force will be deployed in zones 1, 3, 5, 6 and 9 in Mumbai from today. Meanwhile, Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has issued a revised protocol for the sealing of buildings in Mumbai. As per the new guidelines, if there is a new coronavirus positive case in a society or building, then the entire building need not be sealed, only that particular floor can be sealed as decided by the BMC authority. Wuhan-style COVID-19 hospital with 1,000 beds made in Bandra Kurla complex in wake of rising cases. Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan is set to take charge as the chairman of the World Health Organization Executive Board on May 22. A 105-member medical team from Kerala leaves for UAE on mission to treat COVID-19 patients. On the international front, nearly 4.9 million cases of COVID-19 were confirmed worldwide, including at least 3,23,000 deaths. The United States has recorded more than 1.5 million COVID-19 infections and 91,600 fatalities as of Tuesday. But a projection compiled from 9 models from separate institutions predicted roughly that 22,000 more Americans would succumb to the disease over the next 25 days. US President Donald Trump called the high number of US COVID-19 cases a badge of honor because it means the country is testing more people. Germany's confirmed coronavirus cases rise by 797 to over 1,76,000. With China facing an unprecedented global backlash as COVID-19 continues infecting millions across the world, the country is leaning on its cultural icons to whitewash its image. China uses Jackie Chan's star power to woo Indians. In a recent video, he sent his love and wishes to the people of India in their fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Bureau Report, NMTV News.